Okay guys, so we got a nice day out today. I decided to make another video just because the other videos are doing so well, getting a lot of likes, a lot of views. Today I'm going to do a rev video on my car, my BMW M2 of course. Through the blogs and as well as other videos online, as well as me playing around with some of the buttons, I found out that there are a few different exhaust notes that the vehicle has. There's a comfort setting, there's a sport setting, there's a sport plus, and then you could turn the traction control off, which has the best amount of pops on it. With the exhaust. So I'm going to give you guys an example of each different setting and how the exhaust sounds. Let's go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. A lot of pops and bangs from the exhaust. I had a lot of fun filming it for you guys today. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. I'm going to keep trying to post as much as possible in the next coming weeks, as well as get some driving shots once the weather gets a little bit nicer out. Maybe I'll even do some videos with our other vehicles that we have at the house. And again, please like, subscribe, and enjoy.